Hey y'all, hope you're having the best day, night, weekend, whenever you see this. I hope it's beautiful. I picked some of these up from Dollar Tree, 4 of them. I need to organize the shelves underneath of this desk. And the ones I got from Amazon were great. This won't obviously match my color scheme, but you know what, for $1.25 each, and obviously they're out of sight under the desk, I just need to label them, organize everything. This is kind of like a de-stash and an easy update. My stuff I have to deal with box threw plenty away. So I have to come up with labels. But I really love it. I think it was perfect. I can't wait to work on that. Things for sale. Gift for my daughter. I forgot to give her for Valentine's. Scraps. So since we're down here, that's my son. He's 24 now. He's amazing. I would love, now that I have the Cricut, to make one of those for Veda. I know that has nothing to do with what we're doing, but we're down here, and this is where I keep it so nothing happens to it. Have you ever made anything like that? I hope you like, comment, and subscribe.